you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my makeup look. I'm so excited to bring this to you guys because I did see a few comments asking me to make a makeup video, so I decided to show you guys like a natural everyday makeup look you can do. I just did a little different eyeshadow, but it's pretty simple still. If you guys want to see how I got this look and my new, well, not new method, it's pretty much the same method, but if you guys want to watch me do my makeup and how I do it step by step and you guys can do it with me to get your makeup to look like this, let's get right into this video. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off by using my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. This is very important for me to make sure that I'm glowy and moisturized. I'm going to put this all over my face and make sure that it is deeply saturated into the skin. So I'm rubbing it in. I'm rubbing it in. Then I'm going in with my brow glue. So while I have my primer setting, I'm going to do my eyebrows. They're very curly and very thick, so I use this product to make sure that it's stuck down and it's not gonna move. I actually really like this product. I know some people say that it turns white for them, but I just make sure that it's tacky before I start working with it. And then I brush it into place and I'm kind of fanning it a bit. And once it's tacky enough for my liking, I'm going to smooth it down with my fingers. And then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I only use two colors, Toffee and Cool Tan. So since it's the summertime, I am using Toffee. This is more natural. And then once you have it like this, you want to make sure that you make this set for 5 minutes. So while it's setting, I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Foundation in the color Marquise and New Caledonia. These are my faves. I use 1 pump of each and I put that all over my face. And I also have this set that I got from Ulta, but you can also find it on Amazon. I am using the buffing brush to buff the foundation in. And once I have a nice layer, I will use my beauty blender to make sure that there's no streaks, no brush strokes, nothing. Going in with the LA Girl in Toffee, I'm going to put this everywhere that I want to be highlighted, but this is my natural highlight. I'm going to show you guys me putting on my brightening effect under my eyes. And now it's been 5 minutes, so I can go ahead and blend out my harsh concealer. And then I'm going to use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I'm going to put this on my eyelids so I can prime them for eyeshadow. Today I'm doing a natural eyeshadow, but this is a given to make sure you have no creasing. Using my Beauty by Melissa palette, I'm going to use these 2 shades at the bottom, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. It's going to be in my crease. And my little method for this is making sure that you pat and then blend. So once you have that color, you're going to blend. Then I'm going in with these 2 nude colors and I'm going to put that on top of the lid. You just want to pat it in on top of the lid and you should get something like this. I recommend this for all my brown girls. This is like a neutral, everyday type of eyeshadow. Then I'm going back in with that same brush set and I'm going to use the 402 brush. This is Real Techniques. I don't know if I said that before, but I am going to have everything linked down below so you guys can check my description box to find those products. And I'm going to use that smaller brush just to blend out my nose contour. And when you're blending under your eyes, you want to take your time. I did not speed the video up, so it might look like I'm going fast, but I'm actually like being very controlled. And just because I do this so often, I know like the pressure to put. But you want to take your time. If you don't know what type of pressure to use yet, you want to take your time. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth. It says discontinued, but you can use Bobbi Brown in the shade that you would use to contour. And I also put LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan under my eyes. I'm making that set for 5 minutes, so I'm just fixing up my nose contour while I wait. Then I went back in and just blended out that Cool Tan very lightly, very light-handedly. And I'm going in with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Blondie. I'm patting that at the back of my hand and then I'm going to set my under eyes. You want to put little by little while you're setting, so you're going to set like concealer. How you will layer the concealer, you want to layer this powder. So just take your time while you're doing this and just go back and forth. I know most people say that they feel cakey when setting their face, and that's because you're probably using too much powder. And also you did not prime your face. So make sure you're doing those 2 things. And then I wanted to add a little bit extra layer of powder underneath my eyes because I need to complete my eye look. Before I complete the eye look, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the color number 3, and I'm setting the rest of my face. This just makes me have like color in my skin. I'm using the Bolivebeaute bronzer. This is in the color Ebony. They only have 2 colors, Taro and Ebony, and I love using Ebony. Even if you're a darker skin complexion, you can use Ebony. And you want to be very light-handed with it. I'm using it to also set my nose contour, and then I'm going in with my transition shade, and I'm going to finish my eye look. I'm just putting this under my eyes. That's all I did for today, is complete it with this. And then I decided I didn't want to wear any eyelashes, so I'm using my NARS Climax mascara to do my top lashes. And then I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara. This is specifically for bottom lashes. You can get it on Amazon for like $6. And my Studio MAC Fix setting powder. This is in the color C7, and I'm dusting off my under eyes. And if you're just, want to do this makeup look for every day, I recommend that you stop here and just spray your face and you'll be good to go. But I'm extra, so I'm going in with this pink color in the same eyeshadow palette, that bright pink, lovely color, and I'm mixing it with my MAC C7, and I'm just pressing that in the inner parts of my under eye. And that just brightened up the under eye so pretty. I recommend that you guys try this out. That just brought the look to a whole different level. Absolutely love that. It just looks so like glowy and nice. And then I'm using my NYX Sweet Cheek in the color Citron Rose. I love this color. And now I'm going to set my face with my Airbrush Flawless Finish by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just trying out this product. I don't know if I love it yet because I always use my Morphe. And I forgot to do my nose highlights, so I'm using my Revolution Vintage Lace palette, and I'm using the 2 shades on your far right. So once you have the palette, you'll know what I mean. Then I'm setting my face with the Morphe setting spray, and I'm going to pat that in with my Laura Mercier Powder Puff. I love doing this because I hate being dewy. I love being matte. Throughout the night and throughout the day, you will start looking a little dewy, but that's okay. I want to look matte when you initially see me. I'm going to have my Morphe Trendsetter lip liner, and I'm going to just line my lips, and I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Cinnamon Roll, and my Morphe lip gloss in the color Morphe, and this is the end look. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and if you follow along with me, make sure you leave a comment down below. Leave me some white hearts so I know that you guys got to the end of the video. I appreciate you so much, and I hope that this video helped you in doing your base routine. I will leave the links to the products I used today in my description box below, so if you're interested in any product that I use or curious, I will have it down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!